Now let me carefully explain how to fix the initialization error you may encounter during the setup process. Now let's discuss the setup process for CapCut on your phone. First, you need to restart your phone by completely turning it off, as you can see here, and turn off the device completely, as shown here. Simply turn off and then turn back on your phone, as you can see here, to reset. It helps to eliminate temporary installation errors, as you can see. Next, let's try to free up space in CapCut, as it may not install properly if storage is low. You might encounter issues if there isn't enough storage space available, as you see. Many cases exist where your phone has low storage space. If you want to download something, you must free up space first. Try to free up some space on your device, please. On your phone, carefully download it again now. After that, please check your internet connection carefully. Is everything working fine, as you can see here? Because if not, we need to check it. If there's no internet, you can't remove this issue here. Fix the error now. Now, let's carefully try clearing the cache in Google and Google Play to resolve the installation issue on Android device. Now, let's carefully go to the settings of your applications. Now, let's carefully clear the cache in Google Play, as shown. You need to do this because it's straightforward. Just enter Google and clear the cache, as I think this is very simple and easy. Thank you all for watching. Good luck and goodbye.